And the winner of the 2013 HVAC Supplier of the Year is Berry Plastics Corporation.
Wow, what a total surprise and honor. Not only an honor to receive this award, but an honor to be part of this awesome organization. I continue to be impressed year over year by just the relationships and the focus that this buying group and cooperative here brings, not only to our business, but to the industry as a whole. So on behalf of everyone at Berry Plastics, all of you out there, we just thank you, and we're deeply honored and touched. Thank you.